Multiply 81.64 by 4 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 6. 4 times 8 is 32. The product of the whole numbers is 32,656. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 32,656 becomes 326.56. So 81.64 times 4 is 326.56.